In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillow for Comps 2026 full guide. When you're weighing multiple homes, bouncing between tabs can get overwhelming. Zillow's comparison tool fixes that by lining up your top choices in a clean, side-by-side grid so you can judge price, size, and features at a glance. I'll walk you through building your list, opening the compare view, making sense of the data, and finishing strong with visual checks and sharing. Start by opening Zillow on your browser or mobile app and searching for your target area. To compare homes, you'll first need to favorite them. Tap the heart on at least 2 and up to 5 properties you're seriously considering. In 2026, you can also include Zillow Preview pre-market listings, which lets you evaluate options before they officially go live. For the most useful comps, try to favorite homes that are broadly similar in location, size, and style, so the differences you see are meaningful. Next, head to your saved homes or favorites. You'll find it under your profile icon or by tapping the Heart tab in the main menu. Look for the Compare button near the top or side of the page. Select the specific homes you want to evaluate by checking the boxes. If you don't see the option, make sure you've favorited at least 2 properties. Once you click Compare, Zillow builds a structured grid. Start with the primary stats, list price, price per square foot, and an estimated monthly payment. Price per square foot helps normalize value across different sizes, while the monthly estimate gives you a quick affordability snapshot based on typical assumptions. Then review the core facts: number of bedrooms and bathrooms, total square footage, and year built. These basics can reveal hidden trade-offs like a seemingly larger home with fewer usable bedrooms or an older build that might need updates. Move on to lot and location details such as lot size, walk score, and nearby school ratings. These shape day-to-day living and long-term resale appeal. New for 2026, look closely at the resiliency data. Climate risk scores for flood, fire, and wind appear side by side, helping you future-proof your decision and avoid outliers with elevated risk. Use the built-in photo swipe to compare curb appeal, finishes, and condition directly in the grid. If a listing offers a 3D home tour, launch it from the comparison view to evaluate layout, flow, and natural light without leaving your shortlist. Finally, refine and share. Remove any home that's clearly out of the running and favorite a new contender if needed. When you're happy with the lineup, use Share to send the grid to a partner, family member, or your real estate agent for input. And that's it. Zillow's comparison tool cuts through the noise and helps you choose the home that truly fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.